Print on demand is changing the game. It's a business model where you sell your designs on products without holding any inventory. Sounds crazy, right? Here's how it works. You create awesome designs. Customers order products with your designs. A print-on-demand company prints and ships the products directly to your customers. You make money, no inventory headaches. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, even canvases. The possibilities are endless. Print-on-demand platforms connect you with suppliers who handle everything. They print, package, and ship. You focus on what matters, creating killer designs and building your brand. This is the future of entrepreneurship. This is huge for anyone who wants to start an online business. Low risk, high reward. You don't need thousands of dollars to start, just your creativity and hustle. The internet is your playground. You can reach a global audience with your unique designs. Print on demand is a game changer for entrepreneurs on a budget. Traditional businesses require huge upfront investments. Inventory, storage, shipping, it adds up. With print on demand, you only pay when you make a sale. This eliminates the risk of unsold inventory. No more guessing which designs will be a hit. You create, list, and let the market decide. This low-cost entry point makes it accessible to everyone. Students, stay-at-home parents, anyone with a side hustle dream can jump in. You can test different niches, designs, and products without breaking the bank. This model allows you to experiment and find your winning formula. It's all about iteration and optimization. Focus on creating high-quality designs that resonate with your target audience. The rest will fall into place. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. That's how you learn and grow. Ready to dive into the exciting world of print on demand? Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What communities do you connect with? Identify a niche market with a hungry audience. This will help you tailor your designs and marketing efforts. Step 2. Unleash your creativity. Design eye-catching graphics, slogans, or artwork that resonate with your target audience. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, or hire a freelance designer if needed. Step 3. Choose your platform. Select a print-on-demand platform that aligns with your niche and product offerings. We'll discuss popular platforms in the next section. Step 4. Set up shop. Create an account on your chosen platform, connect a payment gateway, and start listing your products. Write compelling product descriptions and showcase your designs with high-quality mock-ups. Section 4. Designing your way to success, tips and tricks. Creating designs that sell is crucial for print-on-demand success. Here are some tips to make your design stand out. Know your audience. Understand their interests, humor, and what they're passionate about. Stay on trend, keep up with current events, pop culture, and design trends. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your designs. Simple, bold designs often perform best. High-quality visuals. Use high-resolution images and graphics to ensure your designs look sharp and professional. Test, test, test. Experiment with different designs, colors, and product variations to see what resonates best with your audience. Get feedback. Share your designs with friends, family, or online communities to get valuable insights. Remember, design is subjective. What appeals to one person may not appeal to another. The key is to find your unique style and create designs that you're proud of. Section 5. Choosing your platform, a world of options. The print-on-demand market offers a variety of platforms, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Here are a few popular options. Printful, known for its wide product catalog, high-quality printing, and seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. Printify offers a vast network of printing partners worldwide, allowing for competitive pricing and diverse product options. Redbubble, a popular marketplace for independent artists, ideal for selling artwork, stickers, and other creative products. Teespring specializes in apparel and accessories, offering a user-friendly platform for launching and promoting t-shirt campaigns. Society6, similar to Redbubble, it focuses on art prints, home decor, and lifestyle products with a strong community of artists and designers. When choosing a platform, consider factors like product offerings, printing quality, pricing, customer support, and integration options. Section 6. Marketing your print-on-demand empire. Creating amazing designs is just the first step. You need to get them in front of the right people. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and reach your target audience. Paid advertising: run targeted ad campaigns on social media or search engines to drive traffic to your online store. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Content marketing. Create valuable blog posts, videos, or social media content related to your niche and subtly promote your products. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters showcasing your latest designs, promotions, and new arrivals. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly create and share engaging content to build a loyal following and drive sales. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Your print-on-demand adventure awaits. Starting a print-on-demand business is an exciting journey. It's about turning your creative passion into a sustainable income stream. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the wins, and never stop learning. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving. Stay curious, adapt to new trends, and keep experimenting. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Share your story, connect with your audience, and build a brand that reflects your unique vision. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of hustle. So what are you waiting for? Start designing, start selling, and embrace the incredible world of print on demand. Your online empire awaits.